Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another video for everyone. In this particular video here, I'll be reviewing this professional OBD2 scanner by Topdon. This is their ArtiDiag600S model. A link to the scanner will be included in the video description. Topdon has also provided me a discount for my viewers. When following the Amazon link in the video description, make sure you click on the box for the coupon code. This is a limited time offer. It's able to access the transmission, engine, anti-lock brake, and safety restraint system fault codes, helping you diagnose any problem. It's also able to access 8 different maintenance services, such as oil reset, BMS reset, ABS reset, DPF regeneration, brake reset, TPMS reset, throttle adaptation, and SAS reset. Brands that are able to be accessed will vary depending on the make, models, and years. It's able to provide support for over 90 brands including the US, European, and Asian markets. Opening the box, you can see everything is neatly packed. First is the quick startup guide for the scanner. Then is the operation manual going further in depth for the interface. Now is the scanner. All the blue parts are a solid plastic while the outer black piece is a rubber case. This provides grip while giving the scanner some protection as well. This scanner is intended for professionals in the field as well as people working on their vehicles in their driveway. This has a 5-inch color touch screen which also can be controlled by the buttons to the right. Under the rubber cover to the right is the memory card slot, USB-C port, and reset button. Based on the feel, the scanner is well made with a rigid construction. It's easy to hold onto and seems to have surfaces on the exterior which are easy to keep clean. The diagnostic cable cannot be removed and it has a protective cap. This scanner can only be used on vehicles equipped with an OBD2 diagnostic port. Finally is the USB cable. After I've removed the protective films on the screen, there was more than one film on the screen. To turn the scanner on, press and hold the power button for 5 seconds. If the scanner does not turn on for you, then charge the scanner first. Now is the basic setup. Select your language. As you can see, this scanner supports a wide variety of languages. Next is a time zone, connecting to your Wi-Fi network, and then finally updating. Once the scanner is connected to a Wi-Fi network, it'll download and install the updates. When the updates are finished, then is testing out the scanner on my truck by plugging the scanner into the diagnostic port. First is going into the diagnostic tab. Some of these headings can be found throughout other areas of the scanner other than the home menu as well. The IM readiness checks to determine that all the admissions related systems are functioning correctly. Going back, we can see an auto search which will automatically detect the vehicle's VIN. If it doesn't detect it, then this can be done manually. When the scan is done and going through the prompts, another dialog box will pop up providing a breakdown of the vehicle. This includes the VIN, manufacturer, model, engine type, fuel type, etc. A system scan can also be done to determine what the vehicle is equipped with and what can be scanned. Each of these areas provide the module information, reads the codes, clears the codes, and views the data stream. Here's a list of codes on this truck related to the module. Each of these codes can be clicked on to view more information, helping with a diagnostic. Clicking on the environmental data, again it has similar information but with different layouts. Clicking on one of the faults, this will provide more information to aid in testing whatever the fault may be. Clicking on the accumulation time, this leads us to a graph for live data. Now onto the home page, going to the maintenance heading. Here I have access to a wide variety of testing or programming procedures. This will vary on what vehicle you're working on. We have options for bleeding the brakes, programming a battery, brake system, diesel particulate filter, electronic throttle system, oil, safety restraint system, and tire pressure sensors. Here I'll select the TPMS heading. This truck doesn't have tire sensors, but this is an example. For this, I'm required to select my manufacturer, then do an auto search. Next is selecting the system. Click on the WCM. Then I'm able to select each individual sensor to program them into the system. Back onto the home screen now, selecting Repair Info. OBD2 Fault Code Library will allow you to search any diagnostic code along with its meaning, basically a built-in dictionary for diagnostic codes. Coverage list is what vehicles this scanner can be used on. Videos are for guides on maintenance, diagnostic, etc. And finally, learning is how to use the scanner. The rest of the headings are updates. This is where you'll find the firmware updates to the scanner. Arti folders for saved data from previous scanned vehicles, which you can view and compare after. Feedback is to report any software errors. And finally, settings is the user interface for the scanner. The scanner has a 1500 mAh battery and only requires 5 volts to operate. Topdon offers a lifetime free updates, which isn't common with these type of scanners. Typically, you'll either have a limited window or are required to purchase a subscription. It uses a Android 6.0 as an operating system, which ensures quick operation. The screen is large and easy to view, especially in direct sunlight. I especially like the option of being able to control the scanner through the buttons or touch screen. Overall, I'm quite happy with this scanner. It's extremely easy to use, the interface is user-friendly, and it's a must-have for anyone owning or working on newer vehicles. Easy enough for anyone working on vehicles at home and has enough in-depth options for professionals in the field. Have you purchased this scanner? Please be sure to leave your experiences in the comments below. New videos are released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button, it's a huge help to me. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to also hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.